One of the largest value props of what we've been able to develop is that we can be a single point of contact to produce a variety of different parts. And so typically purchasing or operations organization has to go out and vet all these suppliers. And our belief is that how you vet those suppliers is it's really hard to go in depth unless you're using them all the time. But for us, we use the supply base all the time, and it's digital, and we have data and deep relationships. And so our ability to go on an AVL of a large enterprise, but be able to offer a suite of services that's pre-vetted, qualified, digitally connected, this is an industry first. And so it creates a lot less friction or removes inefficiency in that entire bidding process, development process, ordering process, and that gives people time back. And so we think there's a huge value to the end customer of how you're able to package a lot of capabilities in a single resource.